Yeah, welcome viewers, welcome once again to my channel. Oh, it's a bit of noise at the background anyway. My name is Godwin, the channel this is Godwin, and today I have with me my friend, it's just Ben. He's over there, and he's happy. He's met me, I'm also happy I've met him. We're going to be vlogging today. We are going to...
there's a new Ghana International
There's a new Ghana International Mall, shopping mall, so we're going to the Ghana International Shopping Mall to check out what is really happening there. So join us, let's go.
Yes, we are out on the streets.
So now I've turned it to face the front. Wow, so we are on the streets of Accra and we are just behind Accra Mall and then overlooking City Galleria Mall, which is just also behind Accra Mall. This road I think leads to Spintex, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we heading towards the Spintex area. But the mall is, where is it located?
The mall is actually at a airport's residential area.
Oh,
so
okay.
it's in close proximity with the airport.
Airport, oh, okay. So this is a mall that's not too far from the airport. I think there is this Action Chapel is in front of us there. Yeah. Oh, okay. If it is your first time watching my videos, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, share and like. If you are a returning viewer too, I'd like to say thank you very much for always coming back to watch and liking my videos. So over there in the far end, you can see the Polo Heights over there leading to the airport. This road that you see here takes us to the Spintex Road, and then the Action Chapel is just over there, I guess. And what's the name of this place too? Yeah?
That is Logswood Apartment.
No, I'm talking of this event. There's a name for it. I've forgotten the name. There's a name for it. This very place. Yeah. The name for it. So that's the Smack Sports Center here in Accra. So we're still working with my friend, and we are basically by the roadside looking for a car to our destination. I think that's a church over here, Christ Oasis Ministries. I think we've not bypassed Action yet, right? No, Action is ahead of us.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know, one thing about this whole area is that you get access to so many amenities. There's a mall, there are grocery stores.
We have to use it. There's no pavement here, so let me.
We are lucky landed.
Okay. Okay, so Action Chapel is after that building, right? We join public transport or public bus now called Church to the location. We're going to get there very soon. So how much are they charging us?
So that's 4 cities per person.
4 cities per person. So I'll put the dollar equivalent on the screen. As a newly inaugurated flyover. Oh, that place, that's where the Ghanaians are the most. So this is the Nova Home Deco Palace. That is the newly commissioned Flower Port interchange of flyover. The sound. So we just got down at the bus stop. We walk into the location, that is the Ghana International Mall. Hello? Yeah. So we're on our way. Just met a young man who was asking me about my camera. It's all good. Ben, what do you have to say?
So basically, this is some of the things that you see in Accra. Like when you're vlogging, people try to be like, oh, what are you doing? What are you talking about and all that. So yeah, it's something that you get to see. So for now, we're going to the location to,
Okay.
yeah, I'll
Okay.
keep you updated.
Okay. So we are right at Manet Junction. That's the exact location, right?
Yeah.
So we are a few meters away. I think the area has changed a lot. It's beginning to see a lot of people around. It wasn't like this some years back when I came
Very
here.
true. Something that
Yeah. I think the New Ghana International Mall is the one over there. You can see it over there. We're going there to show you what is happening in Ghana. Stay put. We are still in the city of Accra. And of course at the Manet Junction. So that means the Manet Estate is down there, right? I've been there before. I've been there, I think, 3 or 4 times. So it's a very beautiful afternoon here in Ghana, West Africa. If it's your first time seeing Ghana, I like to say Accra to Ghana, and this is the gateway to West Africa. We're going to be crossing over there to see this massive edifice that is really picking shape here. That is a really huge shopping mall. I'm told it's the largest. It's going to be the largest in West Africa. That's a huge edifice. That means none can compare. That's what I've heard.